In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust levels in Affinity. If your photo looks a bit flat, too dark, or washed out, levels is one of the quickest ways to fix overall exposure and contrast while keeping detail intact. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer. With the app ready, click on your image in the workspace so it's active. This makes sure any adjustment you apply targets the correct layer. Now look to the right side of the interface and click the Adjustments icon. It's the panel where all tone and color corrections live. From the list that appears, choose Levels. This opens the Levels controls alongside a histogram, a graph that shows how tones are distributed in your image, from shadows on the left to highlights on the right. Understanding this graph helps you make precise, confident moves. Begin with the black level. This slider sets the point that Affinity treats as pure black. Drag it to the right until it meets the start of the histogram's data. You'll see the shadows deepen and contrast improve. Be careful not to push too far. If you do, shadow detail can disappear. Next, adjust the white level. This defines what the software considers pure white. Drag it left toward the edge of the data on the right side of the histogram. Highlights will brighten and the image will pop. Again, subtlety matters. Overdoing it can blow out bright areas and lose texture. Use the gamma slider to refine midtones. Moving gamma to the left brightens midtones without overly lifting the deepest blacks, while moving it to the right darkens midtones and can add richness. Small adjustments here often make the biggest difference in skin tones, skies, and softly lit scenes. Below, you'll find output black and output white. These don't change where black and white points land in the image data, they compress the final tonal range. Raising output black slightly creates a gentle matty effect by lifting the darkest areas, which can be pleasing for a softer look or print. Lowering output. White brings the brightest whites down a touch. Useful when highlights feel harsh or you want more headroom for additional edits. Throughout your edits, watch both the image and the histogram for balance. If something goes too far, it's easy to reset or nudge sliders back. When you're satisfied, simply close the panel. Your levels adjustment remains editable, so you can revisit it anytime to fine-tune your result.